You slouch in your sofa. You're watching TV. It's late. You're exhausted and about to go to bed when suddenly ding dong. You drag yourself from the sofa and go and open the door. Zero enthusiasm, dead energy. You're annoyed and mumble, "Yeah, what is it?" Now imagine it's Saturday lunchtime. You're expecting your best friend. Ding. You're not even waiting for the dong, that you're already sprinting to the door. You're genuinely happy and excited. You're smiling, warm. "Hi, how are you?" When you walk on stage, switch on your best energy. Welcome your audience as you welcome your best friend. Speaking is a contagious exchange of energy. Be generous, outgoing. Give that energy first, and then give it straight back. Not only enter the room, change it with your energy.